Kuntala here. Today I am going to show you Brahmi chutney. There are two types of Brahmi plants, but they have same holistic properties. This Brahmi plant is known as Centella asiatica. In Sanskrit it is called Mandupalni and the other name is Gotukola. This is also called Gotukola or Mandupalni in Sanskrit. This is also a Brahmi plant. It is known as Bacopa monnieri. In my little balcony garden, here is also one Brahmi plant. Brahmi is an Ayurvedic medicinal herb which has been used for centuries. Brahmi is a well-known for nootropic herb and its uses in neurological and psychiatric disorders are well recognized. It is excellent for improving your brain functions and strengthening your memory. It has also cooling property which keeps the mind calm and free of anxiety. It also promotes sound sleep. Now I start chopping some leaves with stems. This is one big bowl fresh Brahmi leaves. Heat the oil and saute urad dal in the oil. Saute it till it gets little brown. Add green chilies to it and saute it. Let it cool. Add Brahmi leaves to the mixture jar. Add sauteed urad dal and sauteed green chilies, salt to the mixture jar and grind it to paste. Add grated coconut and little water to it. And grind it to the fine paste. Add half lemon juice to it and again grind it. Now make tadka for it. Add little oil to the pan, heat it and add urad dal to it. Saute it till it gets little brown. Transfer chutney in a serving bowl. And pour the tadka on it. Now very beneficial and healthy Brahmi chutney is ready. For more details for Brahmi, visit my blog www.loveforlemongrass.com. Thank you for watching.